Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at the goal seek function in Excel. Yes, so please take the first 2 seconds to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Let's dive in. So today we are going to look at the goal seek function in Excel. How do we go about it? For example, we have this question which says use goal seek tool to type the answers in this blue cell. So we want to, in order to have total of equal to, so we want the total, this value here, to be equal to this value. We want this value to be equal to 500 there by changing the administrative expenses. So what we are going to do, we are going to fix this cell to 500 by changing this administrative expense. How do we go about it? You just click on that cell that you want to change to that value that you want. So I will click on this net income price, and then I will come here on data. On the data tools, I'm going to click on the forecast part. I'm going to click on what if, and then I click on goal seek. So I want to set this value to set cell, this cell. Then I want to set to value of 500. And by changing each cell, we are changing the administrative expenses. So I click administrative cell and then click OK. By that, it calculates for you and it tells you the value that will be. So as you can see here, the value is 43,376. So this is the value that I'm going to insert here. So just come here, I just cancel so that you don't change it. You don't want to change it. So I just cancel that the original value doesn't change. So I come here and type 43,376, and that is the value that when this value is set full. The next one is we are setting this value to 490 by changing the electricity expense. So the same function, go to data, go to what if analysis, click on goal seek, and then that's the value we are setting, and you're setting it to 490,000 by changing electricity 46, sorry here, and OK, and that calculates us the value to 26,876. So cancel and type 26,876. Then do the same to, I want to change for the last one is to change it to 480. So data, then what if analysis, goal seek, changing it to 480,000, and you are changing the maintenance expense and click OK, and we get the value as 16,876. So just cancel 16,876, and that's how you do the goal seek function. So in some cases, this one we are told not to change, but in some cases you'll be solving for that value, so you just be changing. So for example, we are told to take this one 500 by changing the emergency expense. So you just come and click on that data, what if analysis, goal seek, and then we're setting to value to 500,000, and we are changing the administrative, and then we are coming to say OK, and since it has already solved for you to 43,6, you click OK. Yes, but since this one we wanted to do for 3 of them, I didn't have to click OK to finalize. So this is the value that will be there. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. See you with another video. Thank you.